Alright, just shut off. That one shut right off at 50 that time, not the extra number. And 5 minutes. So I was expecting to go to 50 and a half. It stopped right at 50. Alright. Pump's not very much heat in the pump. Line's hot. Yeah, that's 125, 130 degrees there. That thing's hot. This itself is warm, but it's not hot at all. It's, I don't really feel much heat at all. It's only just the hottest parts right here, I guess. And yeah, it's warm, but it ain't hot by a long slide. Yeah, it might be 90 degrees maybe. I don't know. It's not much. Okay, so now if you need some light to see what you're doing, you come over here and turn the light on. Hit that button, hold it down, and there, now you got light. See with. Light. No mirage dirt everywhere. In case you think this truck wasn't dirty and dusty. There you go. How good is this light? Well, like most LEDs, it's really bright, but there's no distance to it. See, there's a house, you can't see squat. Of course, it's not really dark out yet, but it's just starting to get dark. Doesn't do much. See, it's inside the cab, so there you go, you can see a little bit now. Alright, so we're at 50% battery, or 50% juice right now. And we got the LED on. I don't know how much that sucks. So we got all the stuff going on here. So I'm assuming the truck's not going to start because I didn't run it for too long. Okay, so the lights are pretty dim, so you can see it's still pretty dull. Okay, so this is like you got a vehicle that just won't start, but you got some battery in it. But the battery is fading away. See how the lights are going away pretty quickly. So it's a little bit more than just a standard dead battery. It's pretty dead. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. Look up our positive first. So this time we're using the camera light. So that post down there is not the cleanest thing in the world. Hey, stay on. Okay, so we got that connected. We got this one connected. Got a lot of sparking going on, which is a good sign. Okay, turn that light off. So we got our LED lights going here. Oh, see, the ground is too short. You can't turn this like that. I'm going to turn it so I can see the LEDs dim when you crank on it. Yeah. These little small posts are hard to clamp onto. Okay, we got kind of a connection. Alright. See how the lights are lit up? Alright, let's crank this thing again. And she still cranks right on up again. Three more starts in a row, no problem. So it's nice about that jump box, you don't have to wait. You don't have to go out there, hit a button, wait 10 seconds. It's got plenty of power to do whatever you want. Now I didn't look at the LED to see how much they cranked off and cranked on it, but still pretty bright. We're at 25% capacity right now. And that's me just getting down there. Let's turn this thing off. How many more times we can start this thing before it won't start anymore. I don't know why the headlight hasn't come on yet. Okay, now I got the headlights on. More stuff on. We'll make it harder for the jumper to start this thing. I'm trying to get it where it won't start. We're at 25%. We got the LED on. Got the headlights are on. It's late at night. You're out in the middle of nowhere. Well, almost. Still cranking. Not hesitating. And this thing just keeps cranking, cranking, cranking. Where's our LEDs at? Can you see the LEDs out there? They're not dimming at all. Don't believe that 14 volts over there. The gauge is normally pinned. It's bad. The dash lights are bad on this thing. It makes like a noise. Yeah, it keeps starting. It ain't shutting off. 25%. Not an issue. So I don't know, I started 10 times at least already. Ran the tire inflator up. Did everything that we can possibly do to make this thing not work. And it just keeps right on kicking along. So there you go. No problem. Yep, keep right on going. There you go. It's a good test. So, obviously it works pretty good. Cable's getting warm. This is hotter through here. Probably 110 degrees. Cable's less, maybe 100. These are cold. And the grounds. Slightly above room temperature, but not much. So it's pretty good. So let's see how bad the battery is in this thing is. So the battery's run long enough, it kind of starts, but you can hear how it's laboring. So there you go. All right, pretty good test of this. I like it. Works really, really well. Like I said, this is the best one I got by far. It does multiple things pretty darn nicely. Even at 25%, it's still cranking away and starting stuff. So there you go.